In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable sensitive content on Telegram. By the end, you'll know exactly where the setting lives and how to turn off access to media that's marked as 18 plus, so your chats and channels stay clean and comfortable to browse. Start by opening Telegram in your web browser. Use the official web version and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list on the left and your selected conversation on the right. Make sure your browser is up to date for the smoothest experience. And give the page a moment to load your account data if this is your first time using the web app. Everything we're doing happens inside Telegram itself, no extra tools required. Next, head to Settings. On the web interface, you'll typically find a gear icon near the bottom left corner, or you may see a menu button with 3 horizontal lines at the top left that opens a sidebar. Click that and choose Settings. If your window is small, Telegram may tuck options into a compact menu. Simply expand it so Settings is visible. This is the control center for how Telegram behaves across your account. Inside Settings, select Privacy and Security. This section gathers all of Telegram's safety and visibility controls in one place. It's where you can manage who can see your information, how your account is protected, and what kinds of content are allowed to display. We'll focus on the sensitive content filter. Look for the option labeled Show 18 plus Content or Sensitive Content. The exact wording can vary slightly by interface, but it's usually near the content visibility area. To disable sensitive content, turn this setting off, click the switch so it's unmarked or grayed out. When this is off, Telegram will block media from channels and chats that are flagged as adult or otherwise sensitive. You may notice that certain images or videos are hidden, replaced by warnings, or simply not shown at all. This helps prevent unexpected or inappropriate material from appearing as you scroll. That's it. You went to Telegram, opened Settings, entered Privacy and Security, and turned off Show 18 plus Content. If you change your mind later, you can come back and toggle it on again. Keep in mind that some platform or regional rules can affect whether you see this option. Using the official web or desktop app usually gives you the most consistent access to these controls. While you're here, it's a good idea to review other privacy settings, mute or leave channels that regularly share material you don't want, and fine-tune who can contact you to keep your Telegram experience safe and distraction-free.